Hi there, it's Shanley here from Newtown Skin Repair Centre. I just thought I'd say hello and introduce myself, especially under this worrying time. I just would like to share with you the importance of skin health and why it's still important for you to use your cleanser or use a serum as we're coming into autumn and slowly coming into winter, and our skin health and its conditions are changing. So let's begin. Okay, so first off, I hope you're all using a cleanser morning and night, but your skin type may have changed. So you may be feeling a little bit more dehydrated. You might have a lot more breakouts. You might be slowly getting a little bit of rosacea on your cheeks. You might just have a really dry, sensitive skin, or you could have all of those combinations. So here we are still doing online consultations. You can also phone through, and I can definitely show you how to use a cleanser, have a really good look at your skin, and what type of cleanser you should be using. It's really important to use a cleanser because it really helps to break down the bonds that we have on our skin. So we have layers that sit on top of our skin. It could be our oils, moisturisers, sensitivities. It also can be heat as well, a whole bunch of different bacteria that can sit on the surface of our skin. And you really need to find a cleanser that can help to break down those bonds so that when you're putting on your next layers like a serum or your moisturiser, you have a really nice, clean, fresh skin, and it also helps with the health of your skin in general. Some of you might like to know, why do we use a serum? Because that word seems to be out there a lot in skincare at the minute. We have different types of serums for different reasons, for different skin conditions. So we have a serum for a dry skin, a serum for an acne skin type, a serum for a sensitive skin, and also a serum for an aging skin. So given that there's so many, it's really important to know what type of skin you have so that you're using the right type of serum on your skin. Serums are really important to use on our skin because they treat different skin conditions. And we have a serum for a dry skin, a dehydrated skin, an acne skin, or a sensitive skin. There are so many different types of serums, but it is important, if you're concerned about aging or you have some concerns, to choose the right serum for you. Now we have exfoliants. Exfoliants are also really important to use in maybe once or twice for our skin. This again helps with skin renewal. It helps to really break down those barriers. It helps to repair skin. It helps to give a nice bright finish. It helps with our moisture. It helps with redness control, dehydration control. There's so many different reasons that an exfoliant is a great add-on to your skincare. If it is your eyes that you're concerned about, try using a nice eye cream or an eye serum. Both of them, you can either have a really heavy duty one that you would wear over night time, or you might like something a little bit lighter in the day. There are so many different eye creams out there for us. So for myself personally, I really like to use a heavier one because I get really dark circles. But for somebody else out there, they might like a lighter one. So again, having a skin consultation with your skin therapist or your skin doctor, that might be something that you're interested in. Your eye area is really important to keep hydrated, as if it gets dehydrated, it starts to really show, I think, not only our age, but we start getting a lot more problems just around our eye area. It's important to keep hydrated. With so many different serums and eye creams out there, you might like to know which one to use. So having a skin consultation with your skin therapist or your doctor online in this time might be something that you're interested in. Given our social distancing and our isolation, a lot of us are indoors a lot, so you may not want to use an SPF as we're inside. So that might mean that your moisturiser needs to change. And it also might have been a lighter moisturiser for you. I know that myself, my moisturiser has changed. I'm using a more heavier nighttime cream overnight. So we have a lot of different moisturisers here for you. And you can also choose one specifically for your skin if your skin is dehydrated. You might need something with a little bit more heavier cream there, a bit more oily for you, but definitely help to protect and repair your skin of a night time, and also to help repair your skin in the day. If at the moment you're struggling with a lot more breakouts or a little bit more hormonal skin type, or it's a little bit angry and inflamed, rest assured that we're here. Please give us a phone. You can have an online consultation, or you can just speak with us over the phone simply. That's not a problem. We have lots of treatments and a lot of products available for you, so rest assured we're here. If you're finding your skin's a lot more dry, a lot more sensitive at this time, you might need to relook at your cleansers or your serums, or maybe add on to that. And rest assured we're here. So you can phone us for an online consultation or just speak with us over the phone. That's not a problem. We have lots of product here for you, or lots of different treatment plans that we can advise you on.